Okay, a glad afternoon to you all. I am Chatrika, studying 10th. My father name is PSK Gandhi and my mother name is P. Pusita. I joined H career recently and our Hemant sir is explaining very excellently. So my given topic is the input devices and output devices of the computer. So we can know the first definition of the input and output. So we already know the name is only having the input, means we are giving the data into the computer, and output. So the computer gives us output to us to know what is what. Input devices examples are keyboard, joystick, scanner, webcam, mouse, etc. So we can briefly know the about the input and output. Keyboard, we already know it is a very prominent in a computer part. We use this for texting into the computer. Joystick, it is mostly used by games. Recently we already know many gaming is increasing in our country, so it played a very prominent role in that. And scanner, it scans the object, means it is only taking the in. So webcam, we already know in pandemic times many work from home offices used these webcams for their meetings. So up to now, input devices means we already, if we compare these both, it is a common point which gives in. So coming to the output, means which gives out for us. Monitor, it is a display screen of our computer. It gives, means we can see what is what in the data. In speakers is mostly used nowadays, which gives the sound out. In headphones, mostly the youth and all are increasing the technology. It became one of the technology unit in our computer world. And printer, we are having a doubt that what is the difference between printer and scanner. Printer means it gives output, the print, but scanner it only scans. For shopping malls, when we are going for shopping malls, then barcode reader means it is a scanner which scans the data in the product. So printer, it prints out the data. So we can easily know the difference between this printer and the scanner. So these all gives the output of the computers. So we can easily say that the input and devices and output devices of the computer were clearly mentioned in this chart. So these all the input and output. What about the storage devices? We are having the storage devices like hard disk, pen drives. We can store the data in them. These are only output and input, and we are also having the storage devices. This is my topic. Thank you for giving this opportunity.